If you're wondering whether the Samsung QN70H Neo QLED is actually worth your money, here's the short version after spending time with it. First off, the picture quality is genuinely impressive. You get that classic Samsung punchy brightness, deep contrast, and really solid HDR performance. It handles bright rooms really well, so if you've got a lot of sunlight in your space, this TV won't wash out easily. Colors look vibrant without going too over the top, and upscaling on lower quality content is better than expected for this price range. Motion handling is also smooth enough for sports and gaming, with low input lag that gamers will appreciate. That said, it's not perfect. Viewing angles could be better, and while the blacks are good, they're not quite OLED level. So, is it worth it? If you want a bright, feature-packed TV without jumping to OLED prices, yes, this is a solid buy.